Dear friends, today I am discussing the topic hypertension. What is hypertension? Hypertension is a tension which is exerted under the walls of the artery or veins. Hypertension leads to heart attack, permanent death. Chronic kidney disease leads to heart attack and brain stroke. This is the other cause of hypertension in which the death of the person is take place. What are the causes of hypertension? First of all, the smokers, chain smokers, that will leads to uh, damage of inner walls of of blood vessels and deposition of the fat and lungs are damaged. Due to this, there are several. Uh, this is the concern problem. Overweight is a concern problem. Lack of physical activity is a concern problem. Too much taking the salt, because if we taking the salt like NaCl, iodine, it will leads to increase in hypertension. Stress is the cause of hypertension. Older age or aging of the blood vessel is the cause of hypertension. Genetics is the cause of hypertension. Chronic kidney disease is the common cause of hypertension. If a person taking too much of alcohol consumption, he will cause the leads to hypertension. What is the normal range of hypertension? Blood pressure categories well this divided: normal patient of healthy patient less than 20 mmHg and more than 80 mmHg. Elevated means 120 G to 129, less than 80. Stage 1 130 to 139, 80 to 89 diastolic. Stage 2 more than 140 or 90. Hypertension crisis more than 180 or more than 120 of diastolic. If you are in category of stage 1, stage 2 or stage hypertension crisis or elevated, please consult the doctor immediately. If we talk about heart attack, it will cause a very major issue. The patient left shoulder having lot of pain, chest pain is there, left side, and which kidneys damage, brain stroke is the other cause. So if we not smoke, the chances of heart attack, chronic brain damage is less. If we in diet, proper diet, there is no cause of hypertension. If we do more physical exercises, hypertension will not lead. If we took a ideal amount of salt, hypertension not cause. If we not taking the stress too much, hypertension will not cause. If patient uh, uh, if he do physical activity, the aging of blood vessels not takes place, hypertension not cause. Genetics is a factor, but we will do by quitting all these things. If chronic kidney disease of a patient is there, it will consult a doctor. Alcohol consumption is very less, and for this we have to measure our hypertension guidelines according to WHO or a BP or any other. So if you do not take other medicines as per yourself, please consult doctor. I am replying, I copy. Please consult doctor immediately if you are in the category of stage 2, stage 3 or hypertension cause. Do not take I am copy. Do not take any medicines without the guidelines of doctor or yourself. It will leads to heart attack, chronic kidney disease or brain damage too, or other adverse effect. So my advice to you that please consult a doctor immediately. If you like my channels, please subscribe, comment in the comment box, press the bell notification. जय हिंद जय भारत.